Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our group presentation. We are from section 2B and our case study is runnyman.com. So my name is Ahmad Syahmi Adli bin Shamsuddin. I am the leader of this group. A possible function requirement for the website. The first one that I choose is a sorting function, and the second one is a Google Map API. So sorting function, I choose it because in the website. So let's say user want to choose the affordable restaurant, so they only choose the affordable and click the filter button, and all the affordable restaurant will appear in the screen after they filter it. Second one is the Google Map API. Is most functionality in the important website. So let's say the food to the customer, they use this to home of the customer. So Google Map API is important in the website. This website use appropriate or more attractive icons or picture and reduce the size of the picture. This method can make sure the website can load faster and reduce waiting time. As you can see in this picture below, it's very big and it use the high definition image. It takes a lot of time to appear. That is why the load time is quite big. So next is the first one is user familiarity. So as you can see here, there is a big red button, find restaurant. Then it's located in the middle of the page. So that is the familiarity. Okay, user can find easily and use this method to find the restaurant near them. So next API that used in this case study is sign in with Google and log in with Facebook. They integrate their website with the Google sign up system. So if you are first user, you have to sign up to be a user of the website. So next is comments with clear justification on the current website in any respect. The first comment that I can justify is the graphical user interface use a modern structure. So next is the language use is understandable. Next is the mid user interface design principle. Why I choose this because it use the icon that similar to the meaning. So let's see the number one icon is restaurant. So you see the picture, the image of the restaurant in the icon. So it meet one of the design principle is user familiarity. That's all from me. So I passing to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Amirah Izzah binti Amran, CD 19143. Okay, first, for possible functional requirements for the website. First, functional requirements is register form. A user need to register or sign up before they proceed with their orders because they need their details to deliver. Okay, next is of a list of the Running Man website show the list of places that they deliver before the user proceed their order. So it makes the user easy to choose their place before they proceed their orders. Okay, next for possible non-functional requirements for the website. I choose usability requirements. The Running Man website should be easy to use by the user and should be organized in such a way that user errors are minimized. Next, for user interface design principles that have been applied in case study, I choose user guidance, which is these principles has been applied for certain important parts in the Running Man web page. The most highlighted user guidance is at the how to order located in second interface. With this user guidance, user can order easily because they can follow the step. Next, the type of API that have been used in case study. I choose payment gateway. User can choose whether they want to pay by cash on delivery, credit card, or debit card. If user choose payment using debit card, it will be brought to the FPX sites to make payment. Okay, next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
All right. So I will take over. My name is Hafidz, and I'm going to present my part of this project. So the first part is possible functional requirement for the website. I choose the website shall allow user to search restaurant based on certain location. So on the first main page of the website, so you can select which location you want the item to be delivered by using button here, find restaurant. So right next. Possible functional requirement number 2, the website shall be able to redirect user to the catering site. So I realized something that Running Man and Running Man catering are both different things. So if somebody wanted to rent a catering service, they have to be redirected to another site, which is on Facebook. All right, so next, possible non-functional requirement for the website. I choose the performance requirement, which the website shall be able to maintain an uptime of 24/7. 24/7 right here means that the website is able to run 24 hours and 7 days in a week, so that users can use the service whenever they want. Next, user interface design principle that had been applied in case study. So I choose minimal surprise. On top of the website, you can see the navigation bar. And for explore and info, you can see there's a little tiny triangle right next to it. This triangle indicates that that tab is going to be a drop-down list. If there's no triangle, users will not be able to know if it's a drop-down button. They will just, hey, it's just a normal button. Let's just click on it. Well, can expect a drop-down list from it. All right, so next, API that have been used in the case study. So customer support API. It is provided by tawk.to and enable users of the website to contact and send feedback to the customer support. On the website itself, if you look on the bottom left, no, bottom right of the website, there is a little icon, which is somewhat an icon that looks like a notification bar. There you can click on it and something on the slide right there will appear. You can send a message to the organization. And the next, so this is the final part, which is part 3. I did a comment for this website. Overall, the website works very well. You can do basic tasks such as login, register, view, search, and track. But I myself found something really interesting. When I scrolled down until I got to the footer of the website, I tried to click on About Us. Okay, it works. It will redirect the browser to About Us. But when I tried to click History, our team and we are hiring, it leads to nowhere. The hyperlink doesn't work. This kind of stuff is unseen because users don't actually scroll until at the bottom of the page. So maybe the developer of the website ignores this kind of stuff. And I think that is all from me. Thank you. Next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Nasuha binti Abdul Hadi. My metric number is CA19139. I will present my part. The first part is functional requirement. A registered user shall be able to add the new meal into the cart in the Running Man website. Next. Okay, the next one is the Running Man website shall display the total payment in the cart before the user can check out to make payment. Next. For the non-functional requirement, in product requirement category, the Running Man website shall log in a customer within 5 seconds. Next. For the second part, I found the user interface design principle, which is consistency. Consistency principle applied on each design of web page in Running Man website. Every web page in Running Man website will display the consistent menus such as explore, store, catering, blog, info, user account, timer icon, and card icon. And website name will be displayed at the left corner. All web page use the consistent theme and design. Users will experience the same way of operation on all web page in the Running Man website. Next, API that I found from Running Man website is Google Maps. The checkout section for delivery details, users can point to the exact delivery location. Users can also search location in the Google Map provided. Next, I would suggest API for improved functionality of the system, which is API for estimated delivery time. This API may help users or customers to stand by and know when their orders will arrive, and also can avoid delivery problems. Next, the comment on current website. I found that the Running Man website provides multiple ways to register a new account. User can choose to register using a register form provided, link the new account with their Facebook account, or sign in with their Google existing account. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Good evening, everyone. Now I'm going to present my part. The first possible functional requirements is the website of this offers a list of types of question for user to choose their favorite question. So as you can see in the picture, there are a lot of choices so that you can choose your question. So this is one of the functional requirements. Next, the second requirement of functional requirement is the website should provide an order button in which each of the food picture is available at each page. So as you can see in the picture below, there is an order button, so you can press it and you can order the food through this website to the provider. Next, the non-functional requirements I choose is accounting requirement. The accounting requirement means that after you have choose one question, it will automatically calculate the price for you. And this non-functional requirement must be correctly calculated and no mistake to maintain the website reliability. Next, user interface design principle I chose is recoverability. Recoverability means that the user interface has the mechanism to allow users to recover from error. So if you have added one food in your chart and you want to delete it, you can delete it as shown in the picture. Next, I choose food ordering API. Food ordering API means that you can click on the button of the food and you can order the food. So the request you have requested will send automatically to the food provider through this website. So you no need to call to the restaurant. Next, the API suggestion that might improve case study performance is nutrition API. User can actually communicate their dietary and nutrition preferences through our website, and then the website will give the best suggestion of food for our customer. So the customer no need to call our customer care line for more detail of the food ingredients and information. Next, the suggestion for future enhancement. In this part, I chose that in the future, maybe we can add in more question type or food choices in our menu. And then the second suggestion is we need to support multiple languages for our running man website. For example, we can add in BM, BI, or Bahasa Tamil in our website due to our country is multi-language, multicultural country. By adding these features, we can make our customer to use our website easily. That's all from me. Thank you.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Aiman bin Ahmad. My metric number is CA19063. The first one is possible functional requirement for the website. So my answer is the website only managerial level employees have the right to view revenue data. We as a customer, we cannot see the revenue data for the business website. For example, there is no option to view the revenue data. Next, the second answer is the running man website software system should be integrated with banking API. The example, they have many payment options. For the next question is non-functional requirement for the website. The website should capable enough to handle millions users without affecting its performance. So like this picture, the example, they say we have served more than 30,000 hungry folks around Klang Valley and many more Malaysian cities. This shows that website capable enough to handle many customers. Next is user interface design principle that have been applied in case study. For my answer is user diversity. This principle has been applied the important part in the running man web page because user can make their payment in many ways. Different types of user will be supported. This is the example. There are many payment options you can see in the picture. The next is API that have been applied in case study. My answer is detailed website API. This API will able user to get know about the company more. So running man, and we click about us, and the system will take the user to the next page that show about us of the running man.
So we are already finished our presentation. So thank you for the presenter. Any question from all of you? Any question that you want to ask?
Well, from me, I don't have anything to say. It's just that good job everyone
All right.
for
So
for finishing this project
Okay, everyone.
together.
So okay, I stop the presentation right now. With 3, 2, 1.